Hi guys, welcome back to YouTube channel Chemistry Live UGPG. Today we are going to talk about Corley arrow rules, the reaction mechanism. So this is in accordance with NEP syllabus. So I have a simple message for you guys. Please think for innovation, be creative, learn everywhere, anytime and help to learn others. So today we are going to talk about the Corley arrow rules that is mostly used in reaction mechanism. So let's first talk what is reaction mechanism. So the making and breaking of bond, its timing or order or the sequence of steps, details of electron movement and relative rates of each step is called reaction mechanism. So basically in reaction mechanism, we can see how the bonds are made and bonds are broken and in different sequence of time or steps. So for writing mechanism of a reaction, it is customary to show the electrons and their movements during the course of a reaction. So it is very important. While writing the mechanism of a reaction, you should show the electron movements, how they are moving from one atom to other. And usually a single electron is represented by a dot. So this is the dot. So that is representing the single electron. And similarly, a pair of electrons, so that means two electrons, are represented by two dots or a single line between two atoms. So this is the line that we represent as bond or a pair of electrons. So let's talk about the Corley arrow rules. So while writing the mechanism of reaction in heterolytic cleavage of bond, so usually what happens in heterolytic bond cleavage, the electron movements are shown by curved arrow, or we can call it a double-headed arrow. So this is the representation, the double-headed arrow pointing to the destination of the electrons during the course of the reaction. So this is the molecule AB, where both atoms share both the electrons, giving rise to a covalent bond. So this is called AB bond, and when this bond is breaking heterolytically, so you have to show this double-headed arrow. So on which atom this arrow is pointing, so that atom must have electronegativity high value. And what is electronegativity? It is the tendency of an atom to attract the share pair of electron towards itself. So this atom B takes both the electrons with negative charge, and atom A has no electron, so it is positively charged, electron deficient, and this is electronically rich. Similarly, so this bond also can be heterolytically broken on atom A also. So in that case, A atom gets both the electrons with negative charge, so now it is electronically rich, and atom B is electronically deficient, so it gets positive charge. So the direction of a curved arrow shows the electron pair shifting towards either A or B. So similarly, writing the mechanism of a reaction in homolytic bond cleavage. So in homolytic bond cleavage, what happens? The electron movement is shown by half-headed arrow. You can call it fish-hooked arrow. So this is the representation, half-headed arrow, so that each fragment gets only one electron. So earlier in heterolytic bond cleavage, one atom is getting both the electrons and other atom has no electron. But in homolytic bond cleavage, each atom will get one electron. So a single electron is therefore shown by a half-headed arrow. So this is the, while writing the mechanism, you have to show the movement of electron by this half-headed arrow in homolytic bond cleavage. So here atom A gets one electron and atom B gets another one electron. So these are known as free radicals. So here bromine molecule. So here homolytic bond cleavage takes place. So you get bromine radical and bromine radical. So in summary, the Corley arrow rule says that the double-headed arrow, so this is double-headed arrow, shows the movement of a pair of electron. So it will show the pair of electron, and the destination of this arrow will point towards the more electronegative atom. And the single-headed arrow, this is the half-headed arrow or fish-hooked arrow, shows the movement of single electron only. So please subscribe to our channel Chemistry Live UGPG. For class 11th and 12th students, this is the channel Foundation Chemistry AV. So this is a simple step towards e-learning, making life better. Thank you all for learning.